how to open your calculator with keyboard shortcut on your MacBook. So there is no default shortcut for this, but we can create one. So first step is to open your Spotlight search and search for Automator, which should be automatically installed on your Mac. In Automator, we want to click on the new document, and here quick action, click on choose. And up here we want to search for application launch, so you can type application and choose launch application, double click it. After you double click it, it will appear here, or you can just grab it and move it here. And here choose the action, so what you want to open. I want to choose the calculator. Now you can click on run and you will see that it will run the calculator. Now in top menu bar, click on file and save it. Remember this shortcut's name because we will need to find it. So I'm gonna name it like this and click on save. Now we can close the Automator and click on system settings and scroll down and open keyboard section. This is macOS 26, but it's available also on older versions. And once you're in keyboard section, we want to find keyboard shortcuts. So open it. And now on the left, go to services, open general, and there should be your saved shortcut. So on the right, double click this empty space or this none, and we need to create your shortcut. So for example, Control Shift and the arrow up, and now click on done, and you can close this. And now if I press Control Shift and the up, the calculator will open just using quick keyboard shortcut. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.